Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg half-boiled. To begin, it's essential to use fresh eggs that are at room temperature. This helps prevent them from cracking when they hit the hot water. You'll need a medium saucepan, about 4 cups of water, a slotted spoon for safety, and a precise timer. Having your ingredients and tools ready ensures a smooth cooking process for your perfect half-boiled eggs. Now, let's get to the cooking. First, bring about 4 cups of water to a vigorous, rolling boil in your saucepan. Once the water is boiling intensely, turn off the heat entirely. Gently use your slotted spoon to lower the room temperature eggs into the hot water. Immediately cover the saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. This method uses the residual heat to cook the eggs gently, preventing overcooking and ensuring a delicate texture. Timing is absolutely crucial for a perfect half-boiled egg. For a classic runny yolk and soft, custard-like white, set your timer for precisely 7 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, you can add an extra 30 seconds or reduce it by 30 seconds for an even runnier result. The goal is a soft, barely set white and a wonderfully liquid yolk. Remember, slight adjustments might be needed based on egg size and your stove's heat retention. Once your timer goes off, it's important to act quickly. Immediately remove the eggs from the hot water using your slotted spoon to halt the cooking. Gently crack the top of each egg and carefully scoop its soft, delicate contents into a small serving bowl. For a traditional and delightful experience, add a few drops of soy sauce and a sprinkle of freshly ground white pepper. Enjoy your perfectly half-boiled egg right away, perhaps with some crispy toast for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.